welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a reinstall. Y'all, I would like to say disclaimer, sorry for my eye. I know I look kind of scary. My lashes was irritating me and it gave me a red eye right before the video, and I did not want to wait, but it's gonna go away throughout the video. So yeah, I don't really want to talk too much. I'm gonna come on from time to time, but let me know down in the comments, do you guys like when I'm talking in detail like the last video, or do you guys like little hints here and there and just to sit back and enjoy the video? And comment down below what else you guys would like to see. So thank you for all the support, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. In this next disclaimer, this was a reinstall and I didn't get all the glue off of this wig, so that's number one. Number one, please get all the glue off the wig. It's always when I want to record that something wants to go wrong, but I actually like it because some people wanted to know how they can still install and finesse it. So that's really what I'm gonna do the best way possible, and it still came out bomb. So yeah, just keep watching. This step here, you see me trying to melt. I'm gonna melt the lace down by adding some more makeup, and this step too is also helping to cover that excess glue that didn't come off, which it wasn't too bad once I added the even spray, free spray, which it melted it right into place. So yeah, and you may see a little bit after, like you take the band off, but that's okay. Just go ahead and do your process like normal and it will come out great. Honestly didn't know how I wanted to style my hair, so that's what you see me looking so confused for. So I just went ahead and just started off doing my baby hairs after, and then still thinking of a style. So just bear with me. do my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Got2b gel and some mousse. And the Got2b gel, I'm using it to be a base to keep the edges firm and so that I could be able to control it. And the mousse is for me to effortlessly glide through and swoop the baby hairs with a natural look and finish to it without it looking like paste and stuck. To say that doing your edges take work. Just because these videos be looking fast and stuff, no, it's a process. It takes work. So just be patient with yourself and doing your edges and just keep going. without it, but in the moment I was just thinking about covering up the excess glue, and I thought that was gonna be a little bit more coverage. But to be for real, I could have done without it, to be honest. So y'all can skip this step. Y'all don't have to do this step. I don't usually do this step, only if it's something that I feel like needs more coverage, or like if a lace is too like white or gray or something. But in this case, since like there was excess glue, it was a little gray to me, so I tried to add it, but I felt like it just threw off my style. Still came out cute, but could have done without it. arms was killing me, y'all, okay? But y'all see how the style getting it? I ate, okay? This style looks so nice. The finishing results of my hair. Do y'all like it wet or do y'all like it dry? Like, it both came out cute, but I like it dry. I'm a full type of girl. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See y'all.